I would request all of you to please put on your videos.
You
Like
can
the
start, ma'am.
Thank you. So, very warm welcome to Ms. Kamakshi, who has kindly taken out her time to talk about career guidance and counseling with all of us. For those of you who do not know already, Ms. Kamakshi is a qualified clinical nutritionist who is also a naturopath and is currently pursuing her PhD in nutrition, a specialist in PCOD. Ms. Kamakshi is a founder of a clinic, Nourish You. She has been a senior nutritionist in Fortis Healthcare and is presently a visiting consultant nutritionist at Avaya IVF Clinic. We are immensely grateful for your presence here today, and I hope that the students will try to make the most of this opportunity by learning from your experience and journey. It's lovely
Thank you
to
so
have you.
much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Uh,
Hand over the stage to you now, okay?
Hi, good morning, everyone. So, am I audible? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to talk about few nutrition streams. Plus, I believe that you all have home science as a subject, right? So basic.
Not all of them, Kamakshi.
Okay.
First, it's open to all the students, since this
Okay.
is a general and a beautiful theme. So it's everybody should know about it. So it's open to
Okay.
all.
So basically, see, I would like to start about talking this about this topic. So basically, it's nutrition. Not only nutrition, it's a field of five different subjects basically. So all those who have medical or non-medical or any commerce stream or maybe humanities as well, so they all can pursue career in this field. So there are different streams, different pathways to reach out to that place. So I would like to start with the bachelor's degree in home science. So basically, there is a course which has in the Delhi University, also in some private universities, which is bachelor's of home science. So there are two things. One is honors, one is pass course. So the ones who has home science or chemistry, bio as their subjects, they can go for BSc honors home science. And the ones who does not have medical or non-medical as their mainstream in 11th and 12th, so they can opt for BSc pass home science. Also these days nutrition degrees are also available. So few universities has come up with the sports nutrition degrees and particularly nutrition and dietetics degree. So they have different criteria, but for that particular thing you must have a medical as a background of yours. So bio and chemistry is required. And this is the way we proceed to your future in this field. So basically home science has five major fields. One is food and nutrition, and one is resource management, another one is human development, and communication and extension is there, fabric and apparel sciences is there. So there are five different fields in which you can pursue your career. So abhi, if you opt for BSc home science or maybe pass course or honors course, so honors may you will be getting a specialized a major subject in the second year of your bachelor's only, but in pass course you will be studying all the subjects in 3 years. So this is the minor difference which you have an honors and pass course. And obviously your DU is there, and SNDT University is there, Mumbai, and Government College of Home Science in Chandigarh is there. So there are few universities. Banasthali is one of those universities who have this course in their curriculum. So you can opt for these things, and there are n number of universities, Manav Rashna, Amity, they also offer these courses. Then post that, if you see, I am a nutritionist, and I opted for BSc honors home science, and then I took MSc in nutrition. So further, after taking your majors in, so let's talk about BSc honors first. Okay, so once you enter this course, then you will be getting all the subjects in your first year. you have to choose your majors as per your interest, plus the academic, your academic level would also be there. So how much did you score? According to that, the cutoffs are there. And post that, you can choose your major and minor subjects. So if you choose nutrition or maybe some other subject, then you can opt for that and you can pursue your career in that subject. Since home science is not only of nutrition, it consists of 5 fields, so you can also go in fabric and apparel sciences and other communication line as well. So abhi I will be talking about one stream at a time. I hope, ma'am, this is fine, like, because we have time, right? I can talk about different fields.
Yes, you can. You can.
Okay, okay. So, speaking about nutrition first. So, BSc,
Yes.
pass course and honors course. Okay, so there are 2 courses. Honors mein, you will be having your common subjects in first year. Then you will be getting your major subjects. For example, nutrition, जैसे आपने लिया. So nutrition में you will be doing it for the next 2 years. Then you can go for MSc in nutrition, or you can also go for MSc in sports and nutrition. So this is a new uh, master's degree which is there in one university in Punjab. So they have started this course. So because generally लोग बोलते हैं कि sports nutrition में specialization नहीं है, because further you have options of get going to Sports Authority of India. Also doing MSc nutrition उसके बाद भी आप जा सकते हो, but ये है कि the specialization is there, so you have the proper degree of sports and nutrition in your masters. So that is one way. उसके बाद nutrition careers की बात करें तो you can go in hotel management also, hospitality. You can also, some people wants to open their bakery or they want to become a chef. They can also go for this nutrition course, because we have subjects over there, so which says clinical nutrition, public health. You can go to ministries, you can work in FSSAI, you can work in Ministry of Women and Child Welfare, you can work in NGOs, and there are n number of things. There are n number of things in this field. So emerge hoti rehti hai is field se. So, but basic is your bachelor's. Coming to your next field, which is human development. So basically, again, same pattern for honors. Second year में आपको you will be getting your majors, your specialization in human development अगर आप opt करते हो. Then further you will be studying 2 years in human development का पूरा subject, and then you can go for sociology, psychology, masters में. You can also opt for social work. So again, there are many courses which are there in human development as well. उसका भी again NGOs हो गए या government organizations हो गई, ministries में you can work in as a social worker. You can also go for this. There is one beautiful place, WWF का है, World Wildlife Federation. So again उनके वहाँ पे भी ये लोग कुछ start कर चुके हैं. So again वहाँ पे भी आजकल अभी adding to this, so we have definitely n number of options available these days. So this is about human development. So if somebody is having certain kind of interest in this development stages field, or you have to understand the psychology and social work, so this can be opted in by taking home science. Then the third field is fabric and apparel sciences. Those who have interest in designing fashion, creating fashion designing or creating fashion designs, so they can go for this field. So basically it is more of science. It is not the way people think कि अच्छा design किया and बना दिया. So science is included. Obviously the name suggests fabric and apparel sciences, right? So same way for BSc honors, the first year is common, then you will be taking your majors fabric and apparel sciences, and then you can further pursue your career in that particular field. But yeah, some people do switch to NIFT or Pearl Academy, JD Institute of Fashion Designing. So they take their bachelor's in home science from DU or maybe some other college. Then they go for NIFT or some particular degrees for designing. So that can also be done. So people have done this and they're really working nice. So few of people who generally obviously placements are there, and then you'll explore yourself. So abhi there are many brands who are actually looking for these things. So export houses pehle hua karta tha, ab to they've emerged. So abhi even you all must be on Instagram as well, तो वहां पे भी कितने designers are there, upcoming designers. So वहां पे opportunities हो सकती हैं आपकी. Also आपकी opportunities फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो पुराने हैं वो कर सकते हो आप, वहां पे यू कैन वर्क. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक द ब्रांड्स लाइक ऑनलाइन में लाइम रोड का, इफ यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट लाइम रोड, मामा अर्थ, यूसीबी, ये सारी चीजें भी आपकी ऑप्शंस में आ सकती हैं आफ्टर टेकिंग फैब्रिक एंड अपैरल साइंस इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन दैट फील्ड. एंड coming to that fourth subject, which is resource management. So resource management you can somewhere relate to human resources. So you will be actually building up for that particular field. So if you want to take your if you want to pursue your career in resource management, or you look yourself into a human resource person, तो आप ये field ले सकते हो. So then you will be taking again majors as your resource management. उसमें you have n number of topics, human resource, and your minor things would be there. How to analyze your job, how to balance things, and HR management. These subjects are there. Further, so again यहाँ पे 2-3 options आते हैं. You have MBA आपके अलग अलग marketing and resource management fields में होती है. Then you have masters in resource management. Same subject में masters भी available होती है. तो यहाँ पे भी आपके पास options आ गए कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका इंटरेस्ट HR में बैठ रहा है, so you can take MBA and you can do MBA in HR, because after doing your bachelor's degree obviously you will be eligible. Of course yes, आपको qualifying examinations तो आपको clear करना है, पर you will be eligible for that. And then coming to the last field, which is communication and extension. So it is all about media line. So caricature designing, your animation, your media line, your journalism. So people do opt for masters in journalism after taking this communication and media line. So जितने भी आपके ये designing institutes हैं आजकल, so you can think of that. If you believe that you are one person who's meant for that field, you can surely think of taking this field as a career option. So you can go by that. So these are the basic 5 fields for honors. Again, coming to the pass course. Pass course में there is no specialization in your bachelor's degree, right? So pass course में, because you'll be studying each and every subject throughout 3 years. उसमें सब्जेक्ट्स आपको हर एक चीज का, हर उसका HR हो गया, या कम्युनिकेशन है, फैब्रिक्स है, न्यूट्रिशन है, या ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट है, आपको सारा कुछ पढ़ाया जाएगा. एंड देन यू विल बी अलाउड टू टेक योर मास्टर्स. उसमें मास्टर्स एलिजिबिलिटी आपकी होती है, आप किसी 5 फील्ड्स में से किसी में भी मास्टर्स कर सकते हो. बट अगेन दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि आपका इंटरेस्ट किस में है. एंड ये जो 5 फील्ड्स हैं होम साइंस की, इनकी 5 की आपकी MSc डिग्रीज भी हैं. उसके बाद तो फर्दर यू कैन टेक योर PhD, या करना है जिसको नहीं करना है, डिपेंड्स आप क्या चीज कर रहे हो, या MBA कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. बट 5 में न्यूट्रिशन में आप पास कोर्स के बाद भी यू आर एलिजिबल टू टेक 5 of your master's degree in 5 subjects. But there is one condition in honors. So basically we have major and minor subject in honors. In second year we have to choose our major and we have to choose our minor subject as well. So जो major, अगर आपने suppose example, I took food and nutrition as major in my bachelor's, and I had resource management in as a minor subject, then you would be stuck in only 2 fields if you want to take MSc nutrition or MSc resource management. You will not be able to do the MSc in your human development, communication and your fabric and apparel sciences. Definitely बाकी तरीके से आप कर सकते हो कि NIFT है या आपका MBA है, that can be done for sure. पर if you think कि आप इन 5 फील्ड्स में से कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हो, तो ऑनर्स में you are stuck with 2. पास में you have options of 5. because you are specialized since your bachelor's. So that is the only reason. And कि honors and pass का difference major ये है. Plus you can also go for B.Ed. So if you are taking it from DU, so DU के अपने B.Ed colleges हैं. If you are not doing it from DU, then again you can go for the entrance test. After taking your bachelor's in home science or maybe nutrition, you can go for B.Ed. Some people take B.Ed as an option, and some people also go for BLEd training, but I would not suggest that BLEd is worth it after doing your bachelor's. So you can opt for B.Ed after doing your BSc in home science. So these are few basic things which can be done after your bachelor's degree. Then further you can definitely go for, after doing your master, you can go for lecturership, you can go for consultations, you can go for a nutritionist consultation, you can also take up clinics, you can work in healthcare industry. So these are options which are available in a nutrition background. Baki, depending upon your interest, you can take your field according to that. Is there anything which, hello?
Yes, Kamakshi, please go on. You're perfectly audible. Yeah.
Okay,
please.
okay, perfect. So this is the basic of nutrition. And coming to naturopathy, which I did. So basically, I did my bachelor's in home science and I did my master's in food and nutrition. So post that, I did a naturopathy diploma. So these days, naturopathy degrees are also available. But then this course is different. It is all over different from the one which do in our bachelor's and master's. So this is a different field then. We can definitely go for a diploma course after doing our bachelor's or master's, but we cannot do a degree course if we take this BSc in home science. So there are certain criteria for that. But these days the options are available. Abhi, because there are few institutes who are offering these courses, but still not very well known. So diploma course is one thing which can be easily done. Okay, there is one more course which is DDPHN. So that is there for your post bachelor's degree in nutrition. So if you had BSc in nutrition and BSc in home science and major as nutrition, so that can be taken. And others can also take that course. Pass course के लिए भी eligible है वो course. And बाकी जिनके पास majors में there are एक दो subjects का आपका eligibility criteria होता है biochemistry का. Those who had that subject can take that course very easily. So that is 1 year course and which says diploma in dietetics to be short. So dietetics का diploma है 1 year course. Again, DDU conduct करवाता है. It is on your merit basis. It is not on your the entrance exam based. So masters का तो आपका दो entrance exam का होता है और एक merit basis होता है. Merit basis for honors course. So honors में merit की list निकलती है and entrance is always there. So then you have to clear that entrance. In Banasthali, if I talk about some other universities, for example, Banasthali is not offering any entrance or merit. So there's a basic cutoff which they keep. So us cutoff se zyada, then you can get the admission over there. So basic procedures. SNDT maybe I think there is no specific entrance or there is no specific merit list. But yes, there are some criteria, again the cutoff criteria. It is there in SNDT University, which is there in Mumbai. Mumbai University is also good. That can also be considered coming to your communication line. It's a good option. People do go to Jamia also. So you can take your mass communication career, you can pursue it further in Jamia Millia Islamia. So that university is equally good. So but again, basic is your bachelor's. Bachelor's के बाद masters में कहाँ क्या करना है, that you can decide. So this is the basic of home science and this field. कि अगर if somebody wants to get into this field, so they can easily opt for these things and they can pursue their career in these fields. I think, ma'am, I've already explained the basics. So if there is anything which they want to ask, they can ask.
Okay, Kamakshi, I have to ask you one thing. Would you
Mm-hmm.
please elaborate on your experience while you were working in Fortis? What all were you doing over there?
I actually in 2014, when I was doing my, I was I was in my educational time only. So I did my internship over there. So obviously you need to do some internships in your college time. So internships are sometimes mandatory. Masters में तो आप options आपको देते ही हैं वो लोग. So even आप पहले भी कर सकते हो, बाद में भी कर सकते हो. Internship का option हमेशा open रहता है. So वहाँ पे when you think of yourself in a hospital, so hospital setup में you have to visit patients, you have to take rounds, you have to check their files, you have to check their daily uh, data, जो what is there, and their vitals has to be checked. As per that you have to change their diet, you have to design their diet. So वहाँ पे again the clinical nutrition is purely which comes into the picture. So
Mm-hmm.
when I was working in Fortis, actually I was taking both OPD and IPD. So OPD
Mm-hmm.
patients are there जो walk in आते हैं या उनको कोई general queries हैं, कुछ भी है. So it can be anything. It can be of maybe a pain, or maybe a pain due to uric acid, or maybe a consultation of a balanced diet, maybe weight loss. So weight loss can is a big topic these days. It's a highlight these days. So everybody wants to get into shape and they want to do a weight loss with the help of diet. So these kind of patients are there. Plus, when you talk about IPD, which the patients which are hospitalized, so वहाँ पे different आपके cases आ सकते हैं. That can be a heart disease, gastro issue, or post-operative, pre-operative. Anything can be there. So that way, I used to work over there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you also elaborate on what exactly naturopathy is and what exactly are you handling? How are you handling your patients through naturopathy?
See, naturopathy, because we have two fields. So these days, allopathy is there and nutrition is there. Nutrition may, when you study, so you are actually the line which you choose. So it is more of related to allopathy. It is a support system to allopathy in our
Mm-hmm.
books. But now people are switching to natural things, balanced diet, everything balanced. So abhi it is not only a support system, it is itself a new field. It is not only a person ki that अच्छा ये डॉक्टर ने ये चीज दिया है, ये मेडिसिन चल रही हैं या ये प्रॉब्लम है तो बस इसकी डाइट बनानी है, ऐसा
Mm-hmm.
नहीं है अभी. So the reason I chose naturopathy was कि I wanted to treat people with the natural things. Of course it is a slow thing, it is a slow procedure, it is a slow method of treatment, but definitely abhi research is going on, and there are many people who are shifting to organic. So we all are going organic, we all are buying organic things these days. So सारी चीजें shift हो रही हैं. Naturopathy में see, uh, if I talk about a plan, a balanced plan in terms of naturopathy and in terms of nutrition, basic nutrition which we did, these two things are different. So we have to collaborate things कि क्या किसको balance कर रहा है. So अगर if I give you an example of a naturopathy diet, so it says that you have only fruits and fruit juices and vegetable juices for 15 days, but that is
Mm-hmm.
not sustainable. So then we have to pick and choose कि अच्छा क्या करना है. इस naturopathy में अभी the practice which I am doing, I am taking all the supplementation. I'm designing the supplementation. For example, if an arthritis patient is there, so I would prefer giving that patient a natural remedy, a natural supplement, rather than giving that patient and just asking that patient to stick to allopathy medicines, because they'll be taking painkillers, they'll be taking SOS medications each and every time they are uncomfortable. But with natural supplementation, natural remedies, gradually the pain decreases, gradually their condition gets improved. So that is the thing which I am doing these days.
Okay. So, what exactly is your are your job specifications of your clinic? And how are you working over there with the doctors? I presume they are all allopathic doctors over there.
Yeah. So basically, Avya is an infertility clinic. So, ठीक है, IVF clinic it is. So वहाँ पे, see, basically there are steps in IVF. Okay. So if a patient is coming over there, it's definitely an allopathic clinic. So, but also they are doing it naturally. जितना natural हो सकता है, everybody tries for a natural thing. So then they'll start monitoring things. So there are procedures for that. Ovulation studies hai, follicular studies hai. Then they'll go for further things, IUI and all that. So my job over there is that if a patient is going an IVF, undergoing an IVF treatment, so the steps, example, plantation, example, ovary stimulation, and fertilization boosting foods. So each and every step. So if I am talking about a fertilization step, so I have to give that patient fertilization boosting foods. I have to give a patient progesterone rich foods or estrogen rich foods, or if the according to the last menstrual cycle, I have to change the diet. So this way we work together as a team, because everybody believes कि natural चीजें are much more better than giving medicines or giving supplements for each and everything. So estrogen, if, for example, if I talk about estrogen, if estrogen is injected or progesterone is injected, but there are foods which support these stages. So अगर ovary stimulation है तो ovary stimulation को improve या support करने के लिए which foods are there, या अगर plantation process चल रही है तो plantation को support करने के लिए what do you have to do, what do you have to eat, how much should be the protein, how much should be the carbs. So this way we design the plans.
Okay, thank you so much, Kamakshi, for patiently answering my questions. I would now open this platform for the students to pose their questions. So can I start with Sugandh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Good
from
morning.
I'm from commerce background and I have commerce with home science.
Okay.
Excuse me, Sugandh, please switch on your video.
Ma'am, I'm working from PC.
Okay.
I want to ask that what is diet therapy in naturopathy and how can it be helpful to us if we can opt for this?
So you want to pursue your career in diet therapy and naturopathy, or you want to ask how you can be uh, you can take the benefit out of it?
Ma'am, take benefit out of it.
Okay. See, basically, diet therapy, if we talk about it's a balanced diet. Obviously, if you have home science, Bhavna ma'am must have told you about the balanced diet and the nutrition thing which you take on a daily basis. So it should be a balanced diet, that how much protein or how much carbs, what foods are rich in proteins. We used to study in our schools building blocks of our body, energy giving foods, protective foods. So basically, this is the basic. So obviously you can benefit. Abhi these days in this COVID era, so everybody is running after the supplement, vitamin C खा लो, zinc खा लो, या ये आपका सारी चीजें, calcium supplements ले लो. तो if you will be knowing about the foods which are rich in calcium or the foods which are rich in vitamin C, for example, orange is a good source of vitamin C, Avla is an excellent source of vitamin C. You can incorporate these things in your diet rather than popping a pill. So this way diet therapy can be beneficial for you. You are a home science student, you are studying it, so you must be knowing certain basic things. Baki, obviously you can search it on net. अगर नहीं कुछ समझ में आ रहा है ये क्या चीज है, so this way that can be helpful for you throughout your life and your family as well. So अगर कोई कुछ if you know that okay, this particular product is rich in carbohydrate, or maybe this particular product has too much of added sugar, so you can tell a person who's diabetic at your home ki no, don't eat this, that this might worsen your condition. So that way it can be beneficial for you. Naturopathy, again, at your level, I would say that natural things is naturopathy for you, because obviously you can't design supplementation or such things, but going natural is better. So that the thing which I told you, that if you know about vitamin C rich food, so rather than popping a pill, you will be eating a fresh food. Just go seasonal, eat local foods. That is all which you have to do, and you should be aware about the food items which you are eating on a regular basis, that what it contains. I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, next is Jia.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
On your video, please.
Ma'am, my question is, can a diet therapy help to reduce aggression?
Exertion.
Aggression.
Aggression. Okay. See, yeah. So basically, some so यहाँ पे there are two fields which come into the picture. Okay. So one is your thought process that psychologist deals, right? But when it comes to diet therapy, there are foods who are stress busting. So if you have heard of that, if you are not in a good mood, or you are not feeling good, you tend to eat more of chocolates. You have a craving of chocolate. कि यार chocolate खाने का मन कर रहा है, ice cream खाने का मन कर रहा है. So this can be a signal that because see, carbs है, sugar है, तो वो mood lifters होते हैं. So obviously your mood will get better. Aggression है या अगर stress है या anger है, anger management is a different field. Diet therapy में definitely you can go for stress busting foods. You can maintain a hormone balancing diet which balances your hormones, because diet से your hormones also gets balanced. कभी कभी अभी these days there is one thing which is upcoming these days कि hormones का बहुत रोल है सारी चीजों में. So aggression again, it is related to your hormonal imbalance. यार आपका कुछ, so it's अगर hormone disbalance हुआ है तभी कुछ ना कुछ aggression है, सारी चीजें. तो again hormones soothe out करने के लिए या stress burst करने के लिए definitely foods are there. But again it will take time. ऐसा नहीं है कि खाया और aggression ठीक हो गया या stress खत्म हो गया. It takes time.
Ma'am, I have another question. The question is, why should we opt for naturopathy diet?
It's natural. See, there are no side effects, right? So example, okay, if you take calcium supplements, okay, so for example, the common supplement which shell cal is there, which is generally taken by every individual after the age of 30, 35, 40, सब लोग ले रहे होते हैं. But excess of calcium supplements will lead to your kidney stones. Renal stones would be there, or maybe some other issue. Commonly stone formation is there because of excess of calcium supplementation intake. Okay, and so that is the thing which is there. So abhi that's the basic thing that ये आपको natural करना चाहिए, इसलिए we say कि यार natural better है. But these days बोलते हैं कि हमें क्या पता है कि natural healthy है नहीं है. So I just read one question which popped out over here, that natural is always it is not always healthier. So अभी organic पे shift हो रहे हैं लोग. अभी ये भी नहीं पता कि अच्छा organic है या नहीं है. Nobody is aware about the organic mark. So similarly if you have hallmark, जैसे gold पे या उस पे hallmark लगा होता है 916, वैसे ही silk mark होता है, wool mark होता है, वैसे ही organic mark है, which has been approved by FSSAI. And you have to obviously wash the vegetables and fruits under the running water. वो तो एक basic चीज ही है. So organic mark is there. If you are looking for organic stuff and you feel कि नहीं यही चाहिए मुझे, तो organic mark का जरूर देखो. And natural way definitely slow है but safe है.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, so next is Shreya. Shreya, are you with?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Please
morning.
switch on your video, dear.
Ma'am, actually, I'm from my laptop and my camera is not working right.
Fine, thank you.
Ma'am, can a diet therapy help to reduce weight? If yes, how?
Okay, so I believe that you are only talking about the diet and when you say diet therapy, right? So So definitely yes, weight loss is 100% there if you balance your calorie, if you balance your nutrient intake. So definitely weight loss is there. That is, I believe people are going crazy about this thing these days, that diet say weight loss. It is so common, but again, the method is different. It should be balanced. You should not suffer from any nutritional deficiencies.
Okay, okay. I hope that answers your question, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sanidhya, would you like to pose your question, dear? So Sanidhya is here.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my question is that if dieting is a poison for the body or it is good to do so?
Okay, so I would like to know what is your concept of dieting?
Ma'am, like to
Eat.
eat very less and
Mm-hmm.
which certainly makes the body weaker. And people do
Mm-hmm.
the dieting for weight loss, but I think it's a poison from my side.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it depends the way you are doing it. Dieting, the word is not correct. Dieting does not mean eating less. It means that you should eat right. It is not the way that you think कि अच्छा नहीं कम खाओ तो weight कम हो जाएगा. No, कम खाने से weight कम नहीं होता है. सही खाने से weight कम होता है. So that is the main thing which is there. So I know
Okay.
people are misguiding these days. There are n number of professionals who are misleading population. I agree to it, but no, this is not right. You should eat right to get into shape, but you should not eat less.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
So Radhika,
Ma'am, how do we know that which diet is right for us if we go on some specific diet to perform for a weight loss, or it is varies
Mhm.
from person to person?
Okay, so are you talking about the fat diets which are there?
Ma'am, yes, there's many diets like intermediate fasting or potato diets, water diets, ice diets.
Okay, so intermittent fasting is scientifically backed. Okay, potato diet and banana diet. So this is not one thing which is recommended by me at least, because this is not one thing which is sustainable. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि किसी के लिए क्या सही है किसी के लिए क्या सही नहीं है. Obviously we see that how your body is working and so example किसी की body. So अभी if you are aware of a DNA thing, so abhi these days what is happening, there are few labs, Xcode lab is there in USA, so they are collaborated with India. सो अभी हम लोग जब वो करते हैं, सो डीएनए टेस्टिंग में क्या आता है कि आपकी बॉडी में कितना प्रोटीन, आपकी बॉडी प्रोटीन पे रिएक्ट करेगी, आपकी बॉडी कार्ब्स पे रिएक्ट करेगी, अलग अलग रिपोर्ट्स जनरेट होती हैं. बट पर्सनली आई बिलीव दैट दिस डजंट वर्क. Obviously if your bone weight is there, your muscle mass is there, your fat mass is there, what we have to work on, that fat mass should be under control, under the limits, and your muscles should be more. And balanced diet रहनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि कौन सी डाइट सूट करेगी, या पोटैटो वाली सूट करेगी या कोकोनट वाटर वाली सूट करेगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स अ फैट डाइट. एक दिन में आपका वेट लॉस हो जाएगा, अगले दिन वो वेट वापस आ जाएगा. दैट इज नॉट अ परमानेंट थिंग टू फॉलो. I would say that go with a balanced diet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
okay, Diksha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my question is, how do I know if I'm getting all the nutrition I need by the food I'm eating whole day?
Okay, so see, I have 2 3 things to tell over here. Okay, so when we study, right? So one is the easiest option is there, जो हम लोग सब डॉक्टर्स वगैरह भी हम सबको सब बोलते हैं कि गेट योर ब्लड टेस्ट डन. ठीक है, उसमें पैरामीटर्स देखते हैं, सारी चीजें देखते हैं. बट आई बिलीव इफ यू आर फीलिंग गुड, इफ यू आर फीलिंग फिट, सबसे अपने आप को जज करने, सी बीइंग फैट आपको कुछ नहीं बता रहा है कि आप कितने फिट हो या कितने हेल्दी हो. व्हाट यू ईट, इफ यू फील दैट आई हैव ईटन a bowl of dal, I have eaten one chapati, I have taken curd, you're taking all the food groups into your you incorporating all those food groups in your daily diet, I think the nutrients are met, the requirements are met. You should feel happy, you should not feel weak. You should feel that you are active enough throughout the day. Lethargy नहीं हो रहा है, fatigue नहीं हो रहा है. You are not getting any kind of headaches. You are not constipated. You are getting up on time. You are feeling fresh after getting up. You are not sleepy throughout the day. I think that is the best indicator to judge your healthy and life and your fitness level.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, so can we have question from Smriti now?
You are not audible to me.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you now you're audible.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Smriti and I have PCB. So
Okay.
actually, I heard Bhavna ma'am say that you specialize in PCOD. So I've been really curious about PCOD since long time, but no one was uh, informed enough to tell me about it. Can you tell us about a little bit about PCOD?
You want to know about PCOD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, see, if you ask about the specialization, that there is no degree for that. That you uh, opt for a degree course or a diploma course for PCOD. No, there is not. It comes with experience that you have to deal with the patients. You have to work under specialized doctors who are specialized for this thing. Okay, so now coming to PCOD. PCOD means polycystic ovarian disorder. Okay, so there are two terminologies which are used: PCOS and PCOD. PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome. PCOD is polycystic ovarian disease or disorder. So when there are cysts which are developed in the ovaries and hormonal imbalance is there. So if I talk about in a basic terminology, so this is something which is your which we say that you have PCOD. Okay, so your monthly cycles are disturbed, your hormones are not balanced, your ovaries contains cyst, many cysts, not the single. If a single cyst is there, that does not mean that you are a PCOD patient. So cysts are small, there are tiny cysts which are there in the ovary. So वो आपकी condition अगर है, then you are a person who has PCOD. PCOD basically इसका कोई well known reason नहीं है, cause नहीं है. Lifestyle is a major concern and your genetics. अगर आपकी मम्मी को है तो मोस्ट लाइकली आपको होने के चांसेस हैं. या अगर आपका लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा है, आप सिटिंग प्रोफाइल है, पूरा पूरा दिन बैठ रहे हो, कोई फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं है, तो सूनर और लेटर यू मे डेवलप सच काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज. बट जरूरी नहीं है कि हो, बट ऑब्वियसली यू शुड बी फिट इनफ, यू शुड बी फिजिकली एक्टिव. That is most important. But when you have PCOD, तो PCOD में if you have heard about कि weight gain हो रहा है, weight कम नहीं हो रहा है, weight बढ़ता जा रहा है, so then your gynecologist will recommend कि आप weight loss करो. Then only your condition will get better. So weight loss से आपका hormones या कहीं ना कहीं आप अगर कुछ healthy खा रहे हो या weight ideal weight आ रहा है, physically active हो, so आपकी body उसी तरीके से काम करेगी. The basic of PCOD.
Okay, ma'am. I got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
It's a kind of a topic you can have a lengthy discussion on.
Yeah,
PCOD is a big topic. Very difficult to.
It is really difficult to answer in a minute कि PCOD exactly है क्या?
Yes, exactly. बिल्कुल सही. Sanchita, can we have Sanchita now?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to know that what according to you are the pros and cons of being a nutritionist?
Okay. Pros and cons. Definitely. बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने को मिलता है कि आपको कुछ नहीं आता है और you will be judged by everybody all the time. But no, when you get results, when your patient says कि no ma'am, I am feeling good, I am getting good results, my blood parameters improved, yeah, my blood markers improved, that gives you a really great feeling. So I have so many clients, I have so many patients who had pulmonary embolism, who had PCOD, had thyroid, but when they say ना कि हमारा medicines हट गई हैं, इवन दे से कि जो मुझे आर्थराइटिस पेशेंट को, रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस पेशेंट को जो पेन था, आफ्टर अ वीक व्हेन दे से कि मुझे पेन में फर्क है, देन यू फील गुड. So I believe that is the most important pros of being a nutritionist, that you are doing it naturally, you're not giving any medicine and you're doing it only by diet. Cons तो बहुत आएंगे, cons बहुत मिलेंगे. हर if you will be working in a hospital तो बहुत सुनने को मिलेगा कि क्या ये क्या कर रहा है, because you will be judged. अगर आपको, I give you, I'll tell you one incident. So when I was working in Fortis, so there was a patient of mine जिन्होंने मुझे ये बोला कि खाना अच्छा नहीं है, so that is your mistake if the food is not tasty enough. So they'll judge you कि अगर आप न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हो तो आपको अच्छा खाना बनाना आना चाहिए. So that happens. So the people feel कि यार अगर हमें खाना बनाना नहीं आता तो हम न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट नहीं बन सकते हैं. So बोलते हैं कि
this is standard.
this is standard. And
This is standard.
they used to say कि क्या आप खाना प्रोवाइड करा रहे हो, आपको टेस्ट नहीं है, आपको बनाना नहीं आता खाना.
Which is a misnomer. Which is a
Obviously,
misnomer.
definitely, as if I'm a chef over there. I'm not a chef, I'm a nutritionist, and I have to balance the diet. I don't have to make it tastier. Tasty
Put
बनाना
your
तो
feet-
chef का काम है.
Yes, you have to put down your feet and make them realize it is much, much, much more than that. The general feel of the public, you know. So, can I have question from Mansi now? The list is growing. I can't say no to my students. It's like every other moment I'm getting a message. I want to ask a question. I can't say no. I'm sorry. So let's make it a bit crisper, right? So Mansi, would you like to pose the question there? Mansi, yeah. You're not audible, Mansi. I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. My mic was off.
Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, my question is just like organic is our first preference in food. Why allopathy in medicine? Why not homeopathic or natural medicines?
Okay. I think I had a brief discussion about this thing in my previous answers. So basically, allopathy is a quick method of response, right? So if you'll fall sick, so allopathy is one thing जो instant response देती है. Particularly, naturopathy, homeopathy takes time to give the result. So अब सिर्फ major एक यही चीज है, plus the trust जो है natural चीजों पे या homeopathy पे या naturopathy पे, that is building, but it is taking some time. The research is still going on. अभी कोविड टाइम में भी जो आयुष का बहुत ज्यादा हुआ, आयुष काढ़ा was so popular. So natural चीजों पे trust build up हो रहा है, but again one thing which is main is एलोपैथी का जो रिस्पॉन्स है, टाइम ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स है, वो क्विक है एज कंपेयर टू नेचुरल एंड this homeopathy medicine. But yes, there is one again one emerging field, IV nutrition. So IV nutrition is there. IV nutrition में होता है कि for example if you want to take curcumin which is the component of haldi, so वो इंजेक्ट करते हैं हल्दी, curcumin का जो पूरा कंपाउंड है वो आपको डायरेक्ट इंजेक्ट कर रहे हैं intravenously. So that is there, but again it will take some time to gain the trust. I hope I have answered your question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So next is Nitya. Nitya, can we have your query, please?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am a student of humanities with home science. So, am I eligible to do naturopathy or nutritionist?
You have what all subjects you have? You
Arts and with home science.
okay. Yes, you are eligible. You can opt for the
I think we have lost the contact.
hello.
Yeah, she's back.
Okay. So yes, you can definitely you can choose pass course, because pass course में you can study all the main subjects. उसके बाद if you want to specialize ना, you can take the master's degree in nutrition. But pass course में you will be eligible to take the admission. Honors में सिर्फ science students को मिलता है. Pass course में आप eligible हो, आप कर सकते हो.
There's not much difference between the two, so don't get disheartened because
No. कोई ज्यादा difference नहीं है. In fact, I believe pass course में आपको options ज्यादा मिल जाते हैं.
That's true. It's better to have pass course. I've seen many of my friends opting for pass course, even if they were getting honors.
Yeah, because वो
yes.
पांचों fields open हो जाती हैं आपके लिए masters करने के लिए भी.
Okay. Here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so Kamakshi, there's one beautiful question posed by Harshit Gambhir. He says, ma'am, what if someone wants to work as a nutritionist after MBBS? Do they have to do specialized course for it, or they can directly enter into this field?
No, directly enter नहीं कर सकते हैं. I would say, देखो काम तो आजकल लोग कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, but कुछ कोर्स करके ही कर रहे हैं. Directly कोई नहीं कर रहा है. Eligibility है because main is the science subject. But everybody goes for a nutrition basic course, or maybe a diploma, or maybe that I told you the DDPHN course या कुछ ऐसा they do before starting their practice, because they don't know how to plan the meal. Meal planning is important. So they have not studied about the nutrition, they have not studied about the food. We have studied about it deeply. So at least कुछ requirement होती है, so that they can practice well.
Okay, I'd like to add over here. What you can do is you can do your MBBS, and then there is a specialization in MD. So that there is one field of specialization in MD which is totally based on nutritional aspect.
Yeah.
So after doing MBBS, like you do ophthalmology or you do oncology, similarly you can you do medicine or surgery. There is a specialized field in this field of nutrition. You can do that also. I know of a nutritionist who is MBBS and MD in this field and is doing really well, right? So that's there. So I hope you're fine with the answer. Next we have Radhika. Let's be a bit faster. Radhika.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि ना आजकल यूट्यूब पे इतनी सारी वीडियो डलते हैं कि 15 डेज में 15 kg डाउन हो जाएगा, ये वेट लॉस ड्रिंक पी लो, कोई वर्कआउट या डाइट में जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, ऐसा भी कुछ होता है?
Have you tried any of them?
मैंने की थी और मेरा हुआ भी था उससे वेट लॉस, पर ना कहते फिर उसको छोड़ दो तो फिर उसी पे ही जाके उससे डबल ही गेन हो जाते हैं.
Obviously वो होगा. So again I would suggest कि go for a balanced diet. ऐसे कुछ ड्रिंक ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है कि आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म इससे बूस्ट हो जाएगा या आप वर्कआउट मत करो तो उससे होगा. वो टेम्परेरी आपको एक प्लान भी उसमें सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आपने ये खाना है इस टाइम पे, ये रोटी नहीं खानी है, ये नहीं खाना है. सो आप वो करते हो, बट उससे क्या होता है यार, मसल वेस्टिंग इज देयर. मसल लॉस जो होगा उससे आपका वेट तो कम हो जाएगा, बट इट विल कम बैक. हमें फैट कम करना है, मसल कम नहीं करने हैं, राइट? तो वो एक टेम्पररी है, फैट डाइट है और बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं करता ये सब. इट इज जस्ट फॉर द प्रमोशनल थिंग जो लोग आजकल कर रहे हैं. इट इज नॉट राइट टू डू.
Okay, next is Rakhi. Rakhi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good.
Ma'am, I'd like to ask that what degree and qualifications do I need to become a pastry chef?
Pastry chef. One thing with that's a great choice of career. So see, you have two options over here. One is you can directly go for hotel management. Culinary sciences का भी बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप है. So वो उसमें आपको होटल मैनेजमेंट की कोई नीड नहीं है. Culinary sciences ही अपने में एक फील्ड है. So उसमें आपकी कुकिंग का ही है बेसिकली पूरा, तो वो भी आप कर सकते हो. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि यार मुझे बेसिक न्यूट्रिशन का कुछ डिग्री चाहिए, देन आई वांट टू गो फॉर दिस करियर, तो आप फिर बैचलर्स इन न्यूट्रिशन कर सकते हो, बैचलर्स इन होम साइंस कर सकते हो. यू कैन टेक न्यूट्रिशन. इसमें भी आपको क्योंकि कुकिंग वगैरह आती है, ठीक है, सो बेसिक्स करवाए जाते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू ओपन योर बेकरी, इफ यू वांट टू वर्क इन अ होटल, पोस्ट दैट यू कैन गो फॉर कोर्सेज टू, जैसे इसमें डिफरेंट स्पेशलाइज्ड कोर्सेज आते हैं कि जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि पेस्ट्री शेफ का है, तो उसमें पर्टिकुलर चीजों के लिए आजकल कोर्सेज आ रहे हैं. दैट कैन बी डन, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड डिग्री चाहिए ही चाहिए. पर आप you can either go for culinary sciences or you can do hotel management or you can also go for nutrition basic के लिए, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे कोई डिग्री चाहिए.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Can we have Nishti now?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, my question is that as we were talking about the balanced diet, so can you please suggest some modifications in the healthy food to make it more interesting rather than monotonous or boring?
I could not hear you properly.
Ma'am, I am audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Ma'am, I was asking that can you please, as we were talking about balanced diet, so can you please suggest some modifications in healthy food to make it more interesting rather than boring?
Okay. So modification in your, for example, roti sabzi type diet पे modification करना है. So obviously you can make a wrap out of it, right? So I'll give you 2-3 examples for that. So if you are aware of oats, right? Oats का vegetable oats आप simple खा रहे हो, you can make oats टिक्की out of it, right? साबुदाना आप खा रहे हो, साबुदाने की टिक्की बना लो. या आप जो आपको लग रहा है रोटी सब्जी खाने का मन नहीं है, सब्जी वुड बी देयर नो, एंड योर रोटी वुड बी देयर, होल व्हीट का रैप बना लो आप कुछ. सो एग्जांपल, अगर कुछ लोग मिलेट्स ऐड कर रहे हैं तो रागी की रोटी अगर है तो रागी का डोसा बना लो. या अगर कुछ जंक फूड टाइप करना है, सो आई क्रिएटेड वन डिफरेंट रेसिपी रैप्स के लिए. सो बेसिकली उसमें व्हाट आई डिड कि जो लेटिस होता है आपका उसी का ही रैप बना लो, कैबेज लीव्स का रैप बना लो. That can be done. और अगर there is one thing which is available in the market, rice paper sheets. Thai food है, rice paper sheets are there. तो rice paper sheets पे आप उसको कर सकते हो. अगर आपको मोमोज खाने हैं, so मैदा नहीं खाना है, but rice is healthy. That's a myth कि rice healthy नहीं है. Rice healthy है. तो राइस पेपर शीट का आप उसको बेस लेके उसमें फिलिंग कर लो वेजीज की या पनीर की, whatever you want to add in between. वो कर सकते हो. थिन शीट्स हैं एंड कुछ ऐसा भी नहीं, लो कार्ब भी हो जाता है आपका अगर किसी को लो कार्ब करना है, एंड आपको वो भी लगता है. I read that now your workers ma'am has increased.
The point is that we are online now. I am missing. You would know how we love to have our practical classes, but what to do? I mean, I'm missing them more than my students are missing them. I can't help it, you know.
I
That's the
remember,
whole-
ma'am, we made momos school mein, but we made it out of maida. Now we can shift to rice paper sheets.
We have changed that already. We have shifted to multigrain now. So there's another question from Mayank. Do soya really cause estrogen imbalance?
See, जो सोया है वो सूडो एस्ट्रोजन है, मतलब it is considered to be a pseudo estrogen, but I believe Indian diets में ना इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज हम लोग हर चीज कुक करते हैं और हम इतना अच्छे से कुक करते हैं उसमें कुछ बचता नहीं है ज्यादा. सोया में एंटी न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्टर्स डेफिनेटली होते हैं, बट एंटी न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्टर्स को हटाने के लिए सोकिंग, फर्मेंटेशन एंड कुकिंग ये बेसिक मेथड्स हैं, हम सब कुछ ही करते हैं. तो चांसेस आर रियली लेस.
But it's not good to have too much of soy in your.
हर एक चीज का एक्सेस तो हर चीज का एक बुरा है.
हाँ. So I like to have a final question from, rather I would wrap up because it's already 58. So any other question? A quick question by anybody, please?
Ma'am, from Aditya Jain's mother.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Looking at you and you pick. Yes, ma'am. That's the last question we can have. Yes.
Ma'am, my son, he is very aggressive and very violent. To me, any diet or nutrition that he must take to reduce his aggression and all these things.
Is he involved in any kind of physical activity?
Not much.
Physical activity start करो सबसे पहले.
Okay, ma'am.
वो करवाओ and then give him balanced diet. You will feel the difference.
Okay. Right.
जो उसकी एनर्जी है उसको थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट करो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी की तरफ.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so I would like, I hope we have cleared your doubts, ma'am. Now I would call on Rakhi to give a thank you note to ma'am. Rakhi, you there with me?
Yes, ma'am. So, once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. The things you taught us about eating right and consuming organic foods is very useful for us. On behalf of the school management and all the students, I would like to place on record a hearty thanks to ma'am for the perfect logistic support and guidance that she has extended to all of us.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words.
Thank
So
you,
I
ma'am.
would request, all of us to switch on the camera and have a sweet pic for memories. This beautiful memory of this erratic year we had. Please switch on your cameras to have a pic. And Kamakshi, thank you so much. You've always
Thank
been
you so
there
much,
and
ma'am. Thank you. I'll
guided us
always be
well.
there.
Beautiful experience, Kamakshi. Thank you so much for
Same
being
here.
there.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
So can we wind up now?